Hello, guys. In this video I will show you iOS 14 Launcher app for your Android phone. Launcher iOS 14 sets a new standard for the Android mobile operating system. It makes your phone better than before. And now it opens up to amazing possibilities for Launcher on your phone. With Launcher iOS 14, your phone is the most powerful, personal, and intelligent devices they've ever been. Who will get value from this iOS 14 launcher? 1. All those who love iPhone, love Apple but don't have money to buy it. iOS 14 will turn your Android phone like a real iPhone. 2. Everyone who loves iOS operating system, beautiful and easy to use, wants to use the latest operating system experience iOS 14. User experience. This example really comes down to preference, but in my opinion, iOS products offer a much more crisp and engaging user experience. iOS 14 launcher has strict guidelines when it comes to UI/UX standards, and it really sets them apart from the competition. iOS launcher used to bring a better user experience because it runs on a closed ecosystem. This have created a smoother user experience in the past, and users could focus on actual ergonomics. You can see the interface of iOS 14 launcher on my screen.
কি হতো যদি আপনার সন্তানরা আদম ও হাওয়ার
You will get this app download link in my video description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and give like this video.